Hello Internet, this is ASUS TUF 3080. If you have this card and it's overheating, the VRAM is getting about 100 degrees, this is the solution for you. Here I used extra 1.75 and this is this liquid thermal pad from Honda. Here I used 175, this. Okay. So after putting everything back, I will show you the result. There is no hair, so sometimes hard to put in place. Shit. I will fix it and come back. Okay, so I put fresh pad here. You can see, or maybe not, it's little by little after touching, it's getting the signs of radiator on here. So let's hope for the best. The thing is, where I showed that liquid thermal pad in this place where I used, if to put there thermal pad, normal thermal pad, it is too strong, and then the hotspot goes up. The core is not contacting perfectly. So I believe this liquid thermal pad will help better. So you can see thermal pad here, liquid thermal pad there, from other side the same, and somewhere here is thermal pad also 1.75 millimeters, connecting to test stand or bench stand. It depends if you are charging for the test money or bench money. Yes, then goes capture card. Let's wait while Windows boot. Video signal. Delta between hotspot and GPU is moment. Okay, so in ordinary FurMark we have about 70 degrees, but it's not showing real temperature. We should run this test. It will show the real temperatures. This test you can find in FurMark catalog in your computer. By the way, I will show you the video. It was recorded before, so it shows it was temperature was going in ordinary FurMark till 100 degrees. Now when everything is working in only on Vram load, so its temperatures is even better. So before, let's say it was 100 degrees, now it's 78, 80 degrees. Let's run it for, I don't know, 15-20 minutes, and we'll see that job is done. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day.